Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Labubu dolls on the Popmart website. So it's very easy, just navigate to the search in here, then type in Labubu, then search. And guys, as far as I've searched it, a lot of dolls and items are not available. So for example, if we choose this one, as you can see, notify when available, this means that it's 0 in stock, as you can see, quantity 0. But if you want dolls, then we just need to scroll down on the filters here on the category and choose cotton dolls. Okay, and this will make sure to basically get us to the section with dolls and not everything else. And in here, as you can see, we can just browse them. Also make sure to see that some of them are out of stock. So depending on what you want, of course, you will have to search through the ones that are available. So let us, for example, choose the Minion Bedtime, for example. This one seems to be in stock, only one in stock. And guys, very simple. You just add it to bag. Firstly, of course, sign in into your account. So add it to your bag and then just navigate to the bag in here and then just check it out. So check out, log in, and then you will be able to, of course, pay with your card, with PayPal and other payment methods. So that's pretty much how it's done. Very easy, guys. Enjoy the tutorial, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.